Hey, what's up? I wanted to do a little video on my new way of life, new way of eating, more vegetables, less meat, more exercise, less TV, etc. And I want to tell you also that this is going to be my last video on this phone because I'm getting a new camera. I just ordered the Canon something, I don't know. I can't remember the number, but it's a good camera. So stay tuned and we'll talk about what I'm doing to keep the weight off. I would like to know also if you are trying to lose weight, how are you doing it? Share with me and with other people that might read this. Welcome guys to another trip to Trader Joe's. Today, basically, I like to share all this stuff because it might inspire other people, and you guys can help me also to keep the weight off, or lose a little more. Okay, so what happens, I did a video on the way I lost about 15 pounds in about 2 months. I got down to 170. I used to be 186. 185, sometimes 186, sometimes 187. So it's maybe 15, 16 pounds that I came down. Cycling is also helping, but I've been cycling for a long time. The major factor was stop drinking. Okay, so I've been eating a lot of vegetables and fruits. But I don't want to feel like I'm on a diet. I don't want to suffer. I don't want to. I want this to be like a lifestyle and not a diet. Because when you say I'm on a diet, you're implying that you're going to stop the diet and go back to whatever you were doing before the diet. But anyway, maybe you guys can tell me, how are you losing the weight? I mean, I eat green beans, green leafy vegetables like kale. I always have spinach, fresh fruits, and dried fruits like figs. And stop with that guy. And apricots, plums. Anyway, so I'd like you guys to tell me in the comments, what are you doing to stay thin? I don't know if it's genetics or what, but still have a little bit of fat around my waist that I would like to get rid of. And I'm gonna be 60 soon, so I don't have a lot of time. I have to lose it now, and then try to keep it off. Yeah, it's a new year and a new lifestyle and a new everything, new technology. This year I have to, do better videos, better music, lose more weight, and ride more bike. Yep. Anyway, today's a little cloudy. Tomorrow is gonna rain, they say. But winter in LA is always nice. It's not cold, it's just a little cooler. So, yeah, so what else am I doing? I'm still drinking coffee without the sugar, tea without the sugar. Sometimes I put a little bit of honey. And I'm not eating any, well, actually I did eat some muffins, banana nut muffin, but I think that's good. That's sometimes you need that. Been eating some tuna pasta. I think the cheese also. Cheese is not helping, because I'm a big cheese rat. I love cheese. And I've been seeing all these videos that the vegans and vegetarians are saying that cheese is bad. You don't have to say, I don't eat this or I don't eat that. I think it's more important that you control the amount of everything you eat. If you have it once in a while, it's not gonna hurt you. So another question is, like, I'd like to put out there is, what drink do you take? Do you drink for not getting fat? I've seen videos that say that the vodka, I know wine has a lot of sugar. So this kind of writing and blogging, it's an imitation of a Bikeblogger. Thank you, Bikeblogger. I think it's a Bikeblogger with a B, not with a V. Anyway, yeah, he goes to the work every day on his bike, and you can see all kinds of weather that he goes through. And it's kind of inspiring, When I had my back problem, the only thing I could do was watch TV, and then TV gets a little boring, or it's not a good programs all the time. So I started watching a lot of YouTube, and then I say, I want to do that. Maybe somebody else can watch me talking, rambling when they're sick in bed, This PCH, you cannot take PCH. There's no bike lane, and it's too dangerous. So I'm taking the sidewalk. Okay, we'll see. Okay.
Down the road.
See that? The guy's telling me to get on the road. Yeah, right. I'm gonna get on that road. That's how you get killed. Yeah, some streets you could take, but I've heard too many stories about PCH, people getting killed on bicycles. See, there's no room. You can see right there. There's no room. They're not gonna, especially at this time, it's like rush hour almost. They're not gonna stop for you. Okay, so we are here. So this is the Trader Joe's that I was coming to.